Revolution now! Revolution now! That's our fun.
Oh, this is not this is not the allowed front. Yes, run. Move it first. Move it first.
Sorry, please. Excuse me.
The regime is falling apart, so it's desperate.
It's here. Please. I'm sitting there. Come to do. No, I told you they didn't get it.
Yeah, no, it does not come from here.
Buhari ordered.
Buhari himself will be a marshal in prison. I'm not from sideboard.
You guys are from this side. You guys are from sideboard. You guys are the ones from
I don't know who and who you are.
For them to detain us, they have to be in prison too.
Yes. Bloody water and the
They are coming back.
Calm down. No worries. We're not going yet.
Yes. Okay, please. Please. We just want to inform. Yes. We want to inform the Nigerian people through the press, of course. What sort of a joke we have been going through in the last few hours. As you are aware, we were sent to PJ prison yesterday on the orders of this court. When we arrived there, contrary to what the judge said, we were not given any medical support, no food, no water. We were just put in an isolation center. This morning they came, took us out, drove us handcuffed in a Black Maria that is probably just about to leave now to this court. And in all, as has been found out in this court, they were just interested in using the power they have amassed against our rights to demand a better society. What I need to say very quickly is that we are in a historical moment in Nigeria. And I want to call on Nigerian people that this is the time to take sides. You want to decide on which side you want to be. If you want to continue to be with these incompetent oppressors, tyrants, or you want to be on the side of people who want to liberate Nigeria in the nearest future. Yes.
We are tired of
So, on that note, we just want to thank those who are fighting everywhere on social media, you know, those who are fighting diaspora to ensure that we are removed from this encumbrance. Please, let's finish. Yes. Please. Please, let's just wrap it up here. That the judge had made some other new consequential orders, because apparently they do not have any charges, as you can imagine, but at the same time they do not want us to be free citizens. So she has asked us to now be remanded back to the police at FCID area 10 and told the police to provide us with all kinds of access. But that is not where we should be. We should be sleeping in our beds tonight.
Absolutely.
Yes, we have no business going back to a police that has no credibility, a police that engages in torture, a police that have no respect for human rights. That is not where we should have been. But the judge had to do what she had to do, which is provide some measure of comfort for us who are assailed by these very fraudulent charges of unlawful assembly, as if we are still under colonial rule, of criminal conspiracy. Who are we conspiring against? Bad government. Incitement. Who are we inciting? Our fellow citizens who are suffering. Those are the three charges before these courts. So we are hopefully going back to the police. Yes. Detention until Friday. My own conviction is that they will be plotting other things between now and Friday. But we are ready for it. We are ready for it at all times. And as I keep saying, I will say finally to Nigerians, a luta continua. Don't go.